Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sonali Thambewag. I am practicing homeopathy since last 13 years and dealing with many of the diseases, not only with the children but also with the adults. Today we will be discussing about what is the scope of homeopathy in pediatric diseases or disorders. So what actually the pediatric age group is? So pediatric age group is basically from the birth till the 18 years of age. So many of the parents comes to us saying that our children are constantly falling ill. Whenever there is change of weather, the child is not able to cope up with this change of weather and they fall ill. Like after having the cold drink or cold food, they complain of the throat pain. After having the change of weather or getting wet in the rain, they will be having the difficulty in breathing. After having the change of food habits, they will fall ill and they will start suffering from the loose watery stool or abdominal pain. Likewise, also there are the disorders which will be having the impact of the mental health of the child also. Whenever there is a problem related to the mental health or the physical health, we are dealing homeopathically on both the planes. So that's why basically homeopathy has a great scope in dealing with the pediatric diseases. They not only boosts the immunity, so in terms after boosting the immunity, your children will be able to cope up with the change of weather, will be able to cope up with the getting wet in the rain, will be able to cope up with having the cold food and drink. But whenever they fall ill or sick, they will be having their inner strength, what we call in our homeopathic terms the susceptibility. They will be having that inner strength to cope up with that power, so that they will not be able to have the diseases. Also, there are many myths about the homeopathy, that homeopathic medicines are having or taking the long duration of time to give the good results. But it's not the same, because in homeopathy we basically deal or based on the individualization. We believe that no two individuals, no two children are same. They are unique in their own terms. That's why there will be individualization of the homeopathic treatment itself. That's why whenever two children suffering from the tonsillitis, suffering from the common cold or suffering from the allergic rhinitis comes to us, we will not be giving the same medicines to both of them. We have to deal with the history taking part, and we will be giving them the medicine depending on their history, depending on their constitution, depending on their diathesis. So these are the different terms which we deal with homeopathy, and they are also familiar to you in your routine language. So we will be giving the homeopathic medication depending on these case taking format, and you will see the results in the future. So that's why I will strongly recommend that believe in homeopathy and be with homeopathy, have faith in homeopathy, and do take the advantage of homeopathy. Because whenever in children there will be disorders like runny nose, there will be loose watery stools. What we do basically with the modern medicine is that we will give these cough syrups, we will give these syrups which will suppress the discharges, and that will be in long run there will be leading to many of the major diseases, or it will be involving the major important organs. So we have not to suppress the discharges or suppress the diseases, but we have to cure the diseases with the help of the homeopathy, and I am there to help you out with the help of homeopathy. So do take the advantage of the homeopathic treatment. Stay tuned for the more videos to come. So thank you.